Yebesi toilets, amamu. Yebesi toilets. In all, Yebesi 8-unit toilets, 4 8-unit toilets, 32 toilets in all, among the people of Agobu.
After all these things, Shediebano. Yeah. Assembly Sinansin or Ghana. And it's got to do with a year, yes, a fraudsters be a yet shomo. And the story, Yabeti and Yayapuano. 1221 in Ghana. Hey, on YouTube, you 7,000, 1221. I dare sound a couple one. Manchester, Satibwe, Nipa and Chinua, Basti. Any person, blogger, or institution found circulating sexually explicit videos or photographs of children is liable to term of imprisonment of not less than 5 years. Period for mutie. You see idea. Umubina mono red no more relax kakra etiti muniso. Enti muntie. Period for na mono red no. You see idea kobo one. Eya titi muniso. Monom de beye. Mo monom de beye. 8 to 4 hours the etiti. Mo ma start num jojo no so. You see etiti muniso ba. You see, any person, blogger, or institution found circulating sexually explicit. So I'm for any piece that what I say, sexually explicit videos or photographs of children is liable to a term of imprisonment of not less than 5 years. You see, a chill. I am running ashe. We a blogger, we a TV, radio, we a group. I'm from Asanteman youth. We a wine. Now you chill. Say all the aquara, na jeda, na deja, the nakedness, and now video. Actually, our internet so and I say what publish it. Or what could them be in fear num. What the tnaho. Neka say ye yantiase ubedem. Me catch you. So WhatsApp group na se moko share saa de no na by mistake elikia mo group ni mu nyina no say yetumi trace mu nyina mu bedem. Don't think say you can radio TV even in WhatsApp group. So moko for bi picture ni video akwara bi video ni nakedness. Obedient dian na mo be share no WhatsApp group nim na obi fa ho ehu na or report it na the cyber security agency organ investigation na mo saka WhatsApp group na every single person in that group obetima ko jail. So don't underestimate these kind of things. When na end majority of you guys in jail na munimu no into a WhatsApp group or school or nursing training or teacher training, or senior high school, or university, wherever you are, or group of him, no more status, almost share inquire naked videos, exit the group, delete and exit. So obi time will group na opeki group no, or your screenshot bear 20. Na otimi screenshot mo numbers no. Na odema police. All of you in the group will go to jail. The only thing they need to do is to grab the admin. Yachi admina munyina mubedem. So you people need to understand. Samra way any joke. Let's not underestimate this emra. And young people need to know menya AbuTrica. Meya sadie way. So we should not joke. Man kasa media na make a group no na almost share. So when ninja one, you will exit the group. And at the end of the day, tell the admin said this video should go. Meanwhile, the Kudienti make us more joining a sorry group. Pentecost youth, Assemblies of God youth, Anglican youth, Methodist group, more a sorry group na master than in the porno sites, no. One share a whole church, youth association, nipa be 50. Omunyina be end up in jail. Me, there's a reason why here me joining only one WhatsApp group. And one WhatsApp group, no, I am me wa fast for. And I'm now for me and say I'm a trust them. Asa. Me, I don't join any group. I don't even like the idea of my phone. A lot of messages coming. I don't even like that. Into me, for some reason, I don't join WhatsApp groups. So me too. I did back when me panicking. Say, me we so be add me number. Say you are part of a group. I quickly exit. It has been something I don't joke around with. And yet, Adebia, you should not underestimate Ujimia Obefonwako jail. Mwamugwa Bruchena. Kwasiamto group biana u join it. Group biana u jirimno, you end up in jail. Ijande through the cyber security authority no. Omama matiasie. Ya bomu koko. Ya bechucha videos when you na aba abontene. Send beya ye chiwa untumi nkase na minim. Because ye bechi nkofo. Bronya we ye bechi bebre. Now, when it comes to cyber security, issue about fraudsters in Ghana. And I'm not saying, say, oh my they are guilty. I'm not saying that. This conversation is a conversation that we need to be very careful when we are having it. As I speak now, Onua US Ghana, nobody has been pronounced guilty. It means and say because the Interpol or the FBI came to pick somebody in Ghana as a suspect, they are criminals. I can't do that. It's not in my place to do that. Now, AbuTrica same way Abba and Nipa Bebre can be. Now, when it comes to radio, when it comes to informing people on mass platforms, to say radio, TV, the moment you get the opportunity to be part of a national conversation, so a journalist, so a guest, so a pandit, whatever, you need to understand, say, you are not just talking to yourself, you are talking to millions of people. And maybe you don't assess it. Say, nipa 10 penny good dema, you might end up confusing or convincing 2, 3, or 4, or maybe even all of them. When you are spreading information, you need to be very careful. And you'll be an argument ding. There are so many people who are ill-informed. They don't want to double-check. So what radios now about Nyama Asia, especially when it comes to arrest, fraud, and you are not supposed to give any kind of what we call excuses, especially in Ghana. We all are trying to fight corruption, fraud, and all these kind of internet fraud. It is hurting everyone. Now, AbuTrica we see, Yentie in Sembia course with Angel FM. Mami be not so can send me. And I want you to listen to this lady very well.
Media se ebase enyo obi a what internet so ebum krofo ewo wo mo bank account mu wo Ghana ha ne ade a eya na me ya nipa boni nipa wom my stand abi before Ghana fo ye yi wo mo group mu mo wu ye bra na ye che wo mo nkoa otene mam won kan wo bia onyo obi abone onte obi asanso ote onu ankasa ni krom na obi free ni krom aba ba chene sa wo me hwa wo a wo nnuru ni party bia mu ntimi de wo kwa mi krom ma kwa kodi pa na ye che wo adanjian mu a ye do be kwa akɔhye adan a ye hwese ye pa mo ho ɔden sebi kwasiafo mo mpa mo krom ye weak omo po mo ho ye den a de ade omo be fa mu ni nyina achi no on betime nya ahoden survive na cha so kokoduo ne de kokogina ahudifo mu so won no a owa ahode obetime ado ye de ne kokogina sa ye bridge na bibini mu ntwe gina mo kon so na mo fa mo ta nkosoro a enya atwede onipa egina ni nua kon ho na de mota ma we na we ye gina na adwiri cream we besu kon so no wu ye nya ho compensation we enu mu nya du ngyen we 8 million nipa ba ko pen kwankran nka yesan enti ma ete sande ana sebi se otegana ha no obokro no de afan de opa bibia kokotoko yenye na boro enti ana nka no ha adwe na menua no moyi se sika ne basa ya moda mo na on se moye na ebom mamo a mo discount se mboto mu enye yi on ana wenu mo de kwa bank nyi bank nam ko yifi when na basa no a na say wasu mansion yes mansion a mekai say some time ago about meka say be a year or so and na me hu say ajagraja edi krachi hu adanse say mansion a wasi edi asi suedro no sabre na nanado na president o say nanado fie wasi any impo Jubilee house na ya bankasi atena ye kura no ento krachi no compound ne mansion ni na wo hwei ni pool eso television hotel pool kakra dadwa hwe ne cyber truck we fia krachi na sia wotim 31 years oye adwuma bai ana inheritance obviously we start ye niama we na na ma nipa ni ba ho we start to puna kase o watamfo animu no na atamfo na omo hwe no enyo omo nyina na omo ani ewu but na atamfo na omo hwe no ebi nso fa ho adwen na we mpo de otira anye ye watamfo abrofo esi abecho abusia sampo nam kwan papa so na se wonya bibia ti hu kakra bi kire de aka no fasi.
This is quite disturbing, you know. Very disturbing for us to allow this to go on our radio stations. And you, it is not right. Mami asemo can the crack is saying. The crack is say slave trade be cause maybe into or they are not justify so obi ti krum ha na obubronia to her she believes to say it is right. Jesus Christ, really? Mr. Timmy show me catch say as I speak now, none of the people who have been picked by a FBI no obi enu court abeka say or guilty. So I'm not going to sit here and sound to say all the guys who have been arrested by the FBI, they are guilty of any crime. No, until they go to court, they all make their cases, prosecution make their case, defendants make their case. At the end of the day, so we will all see. But this is prime time radio. Abranteɛ bi we SS. Ote AbuTrica asɛm no, the yemu hyehyɛ no. Na adwene ne sɛ obeso ye bibi te sɛ fraud. As we speak, all that we are talking about is AbuTrica fraud speculations because nobody has been able to bring one evidence. Until the case is done, obian to me can say obiya a fraudster. So for me, as a journalist, I will not refer to AbuTrica and Omaya Chom some fraudsters. No. The FBI believes that they have evidence to prove some fraudsters. Until they prove it, we will all say they are suspects now. Now, young fan say, yate se almost some fraudsters. Abranti be we SS. Now, Julian say, this is a shortcut, Mate. Me whom be say, Mamin Koyebi. But what is your chick, Ubia or your suspect in that kind of a yet day, a Jumadi? Sa Abrantiano, the emotional. Right now, he's torn between Minkoyebi and Ama Minkoyebi. Na sa Abrantiano aso radio na otie maami we. Na maami we catch Abrantiano say, ye nananom abrofo besisa omo koye eko yusu omo inti abrofo de yeka enti se obi ebubroni a oti ne kurom a time na yesisa ye nananom kono ono nka ho. None of us no obi antiasi time na yesi ye nananom ye slaves na obi enu ohu bi ama obi ti radio so ka say obeto history bi say ye nananom bi omukọ abrofo krum abrofo besisa omukọ ye omaya kayaka de enti it is right for sa brantie bi epese ofa internet so ye nyoma bi a enya ohun kwan se oso ye oju se sa brantie na we SS na opese or go into this bad behavior and I say what where do you think this young man obegin inspiration free sa ma me we or the hundreds and hundreds of young people she has pushed them into illegality. And we need to be careful what we say on radio. We need to be very careful. Sa statement ya mami we ye no. Ama akore bi na ope reason e de aye bibia enye. We nya reason. And the obusan say adenti na person okoye sa fraud you say now ye nananom ye be form say slaves. Intime so me wia broni. This is the kind of inspiration we are using our radio to spread. So what Ghana crack can I say obi a defraud wo momo transaction 3,000 Ghana 2,000. Do you know how people feel? Ghana pokeke when somebody defrauds you of 200 Ghana, 1,000 Ghana. Some people be to me femu. We are talking about people's life savings. Sani pana sebio yes a suspect bi gini sikano. Time na slave trade koso na sani pano oni ho. Miracle na mini ho. Why should that person why ye juma na ebi ono akọ pension or na akoma pasom ne man uma akora bi advice say so we are sa nipa na it is okay because sa nipa ne nana eye wo nana bibia bra you don't even have evidence to it. This slave trade thing, we all came to meet the story. There are evidence there's a slave trade happening here. But do you know the details? And some of us sometimes ask questions and say, as much as Yenanan will be so far these things, didn't we allow ourselves for this to happen? Because we have seen other places where these missionaries went there and those people defended their islands and their countries and they had to return. Maybe Yenanan ain't that courage or that wisdom to do that. Maybe Yenanan were easily enticed about what they saw. Maybe they were enticed about the white skin. So there are so many things that came together for us to fall prey, for us to become, or we being at the receiving end. But that does not mean, say, Mami penny better not TV so. It's so tough to get $1 in the United States. Just $1. It is not a joke. Your Nippon Pim over 90 to 100 million people in America. Omu physical $10,000 cash da. Omu hu bi da. Physical $10,000. Omu hu bi da. In their life since they are war. It is not a joke. So for you to make this an inspiration or sending this message out to young people, say, Obi be doing na bro, you're trying compensation, you have the right. You are not even supposed to say whether it's your opinion or not your opinion. This is not a message to send because you don't know who is listening to you. You have no idea who is listening to you, who is desperate, who wants to make a decision. So we always want a reason to commit a crime. So person would do bonny. So who's this chimpena? Now person from Pinichia. You sit and ask yourself, dear na reason ben na menya dear this boneno. Every human being, before you take a move or make a move or commit a crime, you ask yourself, you need a reason to commit a crime. Send a beya, it will make you not to feel guilty in your head. So we don't have to use our platforms to give them a reason to go into things they are not supposed to go into. It's in the first place, we are not supposed to do this. We are not supposed to even create that impression. We are not even supposed to start such a conversation. Then she jumps to Adana munye skana na mu show off. Ehona uhune level of ignorance. Then she jumps to Emrante munye sika na mu show off. Let me tell you. When the American government is investigating you in Ghana for fraud or whatever, they don't fucking care about what you have in Ghana. When the FBI is coming after you, after they gather their evidence, they say, Obiti abruchiri. Kwame Amwako ejinipani sika unlawfully. When the FBI sits to analyze the case and they mention a name of a suspect, they are not talking about what the suspect owns in Ghana. They don't care. their focus is to cut off the blood where the idea, where it germinated from. How to stop it. It is not what you have. You can be a fraudster in Ghana and live like the most poorest person. The Americans don't care. It is the brain that you used in amassing that wealth. Whatever you do with the wealth is your problem. So what did my do? So I took out 500. Let me tell you for a fact, the FBI that came to Ghana to pick those boys who are suspects, they never cared about what they have. They don't care. They want to stop the crime. Because the person who started the crime or does the crime is here. If you're able to stop the person, those things, it will not matter again. Into more say, and a boy see, and a motocar, and I then show off. Let me tell you, you can decide to do people in different countries around the world and decide to live in a madhouse. When they want to pick you up, they don't care about where you live. You can be seen as the most wretched guy on the street of Ghana. They will pick you up. You can come and hide all the money and pretend to say, they will pick you. They don't care. You can also be driving the most expensive car in the world. They will pick you. We just need to let the young people understand. Don't get yourself involved. Eh? The little I know about Americans. So if you allow the American government to spend a dime on you, and I'm talking about investigating you, because so spending 2 hours at a meeting for or the 30 minutes effort plane, not all is because of you. Say almost share a meeting several days, and at the end of the day, pay people for their time because of you. The taxpayers' money, they need to make sure it does not go to waste. And let me tell you, it is not what you have. It is not how wretched you are. When they get to know you have committed a crime and they have enough evidence, they will come pick you up. So many of you say, media may ejuma webi, it means show off from end their corner. They don't fucking care about now. And you're about to show off from America. It is you they need. The people involved is what they need. That is why make us say, Mimbo be a ding, because for now, the conversation is they are all suspects. So like Ghana media, we're going to be honest with us and being professional enough. And all the headlines from the day they started picking these boys, they were supposed to put the caption as suspects. But you see, because our system is messed up, we basically judge people before even they go to trial. Memetier, I don't fucking know what these people did. Whatever I'm hearing are speculations. Until the FBI and the US government are able to prove in court. I cannot sit here and say, boy, we acquire fraud. Boy, we acquire fraud. Because they even have the right to sue me for saying that. Because at this point, Obianya fraud, there's not been confirmed, no court. So why don't we understand? Our job as journalists is to tell the young people there's something called internet fraud. Don't get yourself involved. See a JLOB because of data, then you can use that as an example and say this person was jailed because of this particular crime, and that if you are thinking of doing this crime, stop. But we can't use suspects to cover up real conversations. Let us not do this to the young people. Me share video and yeah, because you see, these people are all over the place telling us, some journalists, they are destroying more lives. Who history behind with him? What do you know about slave trade? In the end, no, obi a person di boni a ondi broni boni. Na den na woko broni woko bobesia. Onka se slave trade in tea. Besia na obebo no hono. One person de obebo if you say you are independent. Adentina want na honka say Mike na esi wenim no eye broni na ye because broni de wona na ko ni krom nti sa Mike na ebo ama wunya salary because Mike na wutie nim nti na yetu awoka. At the end of the day, the same broni na yes, Mike na create juama ma wunye bi to draw se. Dada na wonka say broni mic na mebe kasem. Broni internet na mbe kasanti. Enya ade ameye. If you said slave trade be baye. Emma, sa broni ne nananom be fa ye nananom. Why are we weak-minded? Ana ne bi me Jimmy sa. What can't we think? Kweku ting. Town John Dramani Mahama and yenina in all the way in Nigeria. Nigeria for and Ohinikesia or Nigeria, one of the biggest kings in Nigeria today, called the president and said the work you've been doing, trying to put Africa together, uniting the sub-Saharan region, making sure we all live together. Your exceptional leadership in Ghana, the way you have been able to turn the economy around, how you've been able to bring Ghanaians together, how you have been able to basically change this nation, Ghana, and even your presence around Africa, and especially in West Africa. No, I am for now more Nigeria. The penny kesiepa woman or say you need to come, myself and my people. We are going to make you say King John Dramani Mahama, Otumfuo John Mahama, and so Akoje na boats dear ama ende Nigeria, Ewiasa for nyina obia ebo John Mahama abaso. Ohine na sebio obo John Mahama abaso no, onyo ohine ketua, oyo ohine a hoso no, yefre no oye de ohine kase a sebio wetumi across the border ehu de President Mahama abo President Mahama abaso ahye no ohine. Enti John Mahama no na mo sa untumi kase ne keke. Untimi kasale nim keke. In fact, so Ghana kwana o kasete ya John Mahama obi o Nigeria na sebio eha na obetumi esiu if you say John Mahama your hene o Ghana and also your hene o Nigeria or your intercontinental king. And then ma John Mahama hindi no different from any other president, you know. John Mahama is a president in Ghana and he's an intercontinental king. Inti ema na hindi no reach out. John Mahama ebie na tabemu. People are recognizing him around the world, and even it is always important say you better recognize you fear and sana akwabontene. Inti sebio konfo ni krom oni din no na sa konfo no okokuro foforo so a yenjini ntum. Inti o say tia say Africa ahemfo akese King John Mahama and the motion no and the Nigeria fo nyine ni age obi abehwehwe Nigeria bia Jack ade we de ye ema sebio ye ni age. That is how it's supposed to be. Nigeria for Ohinikesie, one of the biggest and greatest kings in the land of Ayedien and Agofuono, or say, I need to make sure John Mahama, Masheno Hine, and Sana Sibiu, Akunyawi, Otumfo, Yankopon Beton and Safrena, Wafreno. So we also appreciate the gesture from the Nigerians and especially this great king in Nigeria for showing that he is not just a king who only looks at what is around him, but also extend his kinship to other places. He has actually recognized our president. He has gone to the extent of honoring our president to the point where the world now knows that John Dramani Mahama, his government, the people of Ghana, through his leadership qualities and skills, people now know who John Mahama is, and also the great king in Nigeria. So Igwe of Nigeria, God bless you. May the kingdom grow and grow. May Almighty God in his own kingdom make you the greatest. May he extol you. May God, who made you the king in Nigeria, make you bigger and stronger. He should make your presence be felt around the world. Whatever you touch as a king, wherever you are, my great king, let it be a blessing. Let your land be filled with gold. Let it be filled with diamond, richness. Let your grace, let your fresh ideas, your blessings, and your wisdom spread across Nigeria and also across the world. We really appreciate what you have done today. We have nothing to say than to say that the God that brought you, the God that brought us, the God that brought Nigeria and Ghana together is the same God that will protect you and protect your land. God bless you and God bless Nigeria. God bless John Dramani Mahama. You are the Yoruba king. I heard he's the Yoruba king. The Yoruba king. A very wonderful display of culture today. It was so exciting watching it. You could see how Nigerians are so enshrined in their culture. They believe, and the kind of you could see the posture, the confidence they have in exhibiting their culture, and it's so wonderful to watch. And his name is Ese Igwe. Is that his name? I'm trying to find the king's name. A wonderful king, a very, very wonderful king. Very pleasing gentleman, man. Very open-hearted and a kind man you can see from far. So we really appreciate what you have done and all that you have done for our president. Thank you very much, Nigeria, for. But King, remember, our jollof is better than your jollof. That one there. We know that you have done everything for our president today. The world, we all appreciate. But there's one thing I'll tell you, King. This one there, if I come to Nigeria and you want to invite me to your palace, I'll go on my knees. I will accept it. I will show you all the respect. But the jollof there, the jollof is very important. We don't play with our jollof. The difference between our jollof and your jollof is that, King, let's put our president issue aside. This one, with all due respect, King. Our jollof, we like jollof. That is, Omogu talk 1-1. It the J11. Yeah. Our jollof stands alone. It's like Liverpool. You see, Ghana jollof is the kind of jollof whereby they are not cluttered together like, with all due respect, slaves. They are jollof that are independent. So anytime you take a little piece or you try to eat Ghana jollof, they don't just scatter around like Nigerian jollof where they are stuck together like, with all due respect, slaves. So you can see clearly that when we want freedom and liberty, it's about Ghana jollof. When you pick Ghana jollof and you see Nigeria jollof, you pick the two jollofs and you put them on the scale. You can see Ghana jollof stands for freedom, stands for emancipation, it stands for Africa revolution, and the Nigerian jollof stands for Africa timidity, Africa corruption. It's always stuck together. They are not allowed to free their mind. The way Tinubu is suppressing Nigerians, the way Nigerians today are suffocated, the economy is killing them. That is how what your jollof represents. It represents pain. It represents an economy that is suffocating. It represents people who are struggling. Your jollof represent pain. It represents economic hardship. It represents everything that has got to do with misery. That is why the Nigerian jollof is very, very hot when it comes to temperature-wise, and also when it comes to the pepper you put in. The pepper is too much. So your jollof represents pain and agony. But our jollof represents emancipation because, Ghana jollof, the Ghanaians will say it is 1-1. Yes, it does not stick together like that. They are independent. Every rice for himself. Every jollof stands on its own. They are able to explain themselves wherever they are heading, wherever direction they are going. So please, with all due respect, I love you as a king. I respect you. But with the jollof there, our jollof is very, very independent. Very, very, it's got, when we're talking about jollof with freedom, it's our jollof. Your jollof does not have any freedom. Your great king, with all due respect, your jollof is under some kind of bondage. They are still stuck together, very tight. They can't smile. They are struggling in every aspect. You can see a jollof sitting in the bowl. It's like, you understand, Chief. King, you understand. So our jollof is better. Our jollof is a freedom jollof. And we are still waiting for the day that you people, your jollof will get out of slavery. Your jollof is still under slavery. It is struggling. It is stuck together. It is. You can see when you touch the jollof, it is very soggy. That is what pain means. Yeah. So please, I love you, King. I will come and visit you. When I come to Nigeria, I'll come and visit you. I love you so much. And I respect you so much. But with the jollof there, with all due respect. Now, there's the CD to weaken by 8% against US dollar in 2026. Almost say afia yaba besimi 2026 afia besimi no dollar ho de beba from 8%. And this is something that should give every businessman some kind of confidence. Say omo se omo nim senia ye check economy senia sikaseme wo wiase etie dwumadie ene ewiase senia local currency ene foreign currency edi nkita ho any ahwodin ebenya at a particular point, and I say during a period and I say fetch solution for say you ra afi 2026 mu a Ghana economy no Ghana cedi no ebe weekend ebe just 8%. This is excellent. And then another dan kuffour in a day dollar no etumi weekend over 15%. So if the whole year 2026 the dollar is going to, basically, the cedi is going to weaken for by 8%, then every business person who wants to come and invest in Ghana, this is the time to come to Ghana. Because Sanka, Sanka in Korea, we are seeing no, currency, local currency, no, a weekend 8% or even 10%. Anka we are seeing in Korea, we are seeing Anko Kobiajan and also. This shows to say this government, I bet to turn your ma. Would say moving forward and the years ahead of us, is going to be a better year. Just say 2026, Saudi will seek a Ghana. If you invest in Ghana, you're not going to make any loss. This should tell you there's confidence in the system. Under NPP, a few years ago, every single day, not dollar need to be depreciating almost 8% every single day. Now, cedi need to be weakening almost 8% in a day. And about Omiani Kuffour. And abozege, now cedi to me weakening about 3, 4, 5% in a day. In a day, we are talking about 2026 in Yano. Yes, cedi be weakening only 8%. And this should tell Obia or Obia say the NDC they are on the right path. NDC for Abase Omo Beji Ghana, and it is showing clearly say Nyoma Omo de to akwemuno. Senya Omo shisha Nyoma no. Afia yebesim any the next 3 years, things will be better. If you're a Ghanaian, if you're a businessman, this should give you so much confidence to at least believe in a Ghanaian economy. Excuse me. Believe in a Ghanaian economy and make sure say so invest here. Go into Ghana, invest fully, because if a local country's currency is going to depreciate 8% a whole year, then it means that country, economy, the year to come is going to be one of the best economies in Africa. Because under Baumiano, under Kuffour, under Abozege Munyano, Sanko Fueno, now in a day, cedi need to be weakening over 12%. Yet to me koda anopa, I'll match 12. Yene end antem no. Yeni beti I'll match 6. Ya koda na dollar no, ewo ebia 9. Yeni beti na 11.20 under MPP. Under MPP, under Baumia we are, and the Wahorne Tonenam Ghana say Yamfa to me Samano. Under Kojo Ponkman and say Matisse Kojo Ponkman say be braidam say Nasanyan say wina negu condom trinim. Side Nyansa wina about economy, finances no. Na any pono am mixing with trim under MPP and na a wing. Into can we are near Kotoma Baumiana. Adam Tissa Kojo Ponkman say into town better power 8 years no. Na sa nyansa wegyina ene condom ene pono amexi wo trimuana. You could not do all these things because you were working with Kojo Oforiata everywhere he went. You were Oforiata's side chick. So you want to tell me say for the 8 years and more power no, you could not implement all the things mixed up with condom and pono in your head. Right now na unyansa paaba. Kojo Ponkruma. Right now na unyansa paaba say right now in Ghana no. Which one is this? Oh, okay. So, I feel like I punk money MP before me and saying ba yenim economy yenim finances. Na time na mote power no enti moka sa anyama ni na TV so bia ye wi an enkoto ba omi ana. That is a question we keep asking you people, you don't want to give us answer. Say NDC at the dollar no ko 30 a. Still yantuma ba omi ana. That is the question we are asking you. Now look at this. Now this is where the dollar is as we speak. Cedi now trading at 11.48 to $1. Now, NDC Abanka Chere say, John Mahama Shegana Fobo say oye ye president idie, the dollar will never cross a year even 12. Obe make it sure. And a nyansani policy so. E wiasna yeti hano. E krobia currency, a nipebi ena den, the policies to kwemu ma sikani jina bibi jina over America. The reason to American dollar near strong, it is because there are people who watch the movement of the dollar. They have to have plans. They need to make sure they have strategies to make sure their dollar is always strong. And it's not sometimes better you say, oh, Wall Street, I want to better say they started very low. They are now ending very high. They started very high. They are ending very low. It is because there are some people say, monitor the currency and make sure the currency is stable. It does not become weak. And that is the job NDC is doing. And then the MPP are going to manage. We were telling you people say, monitor the currency. Me a kwamitie, me economist. Me ma me otijo mo economist. Ghana for be bram ko to aba omunya economist omunya financial expert mo na mo se mo betuma hwe sika no so ntia de sika ne ma mo se Mahmudu Bawumia wona wo squad mo na mo nim sika ho nyansa nti se sika no ekosoro mo mpe kwan bi so na sika no enkosoro na ensenkofo adwuma. That is all. The same job na yadama NDC for. Na yade the same job ama NDC for. Na as yeti ha no dollar into me do 13 and do 14 and do 15. From the time I'm picking dollar no from 17. The dollar no could do 9 and the dollar no was between 11 and 12. O catch him say men to abamount. I didn't enter mount into enter mount. Enti ejumana went to manya no. Say ejumana yadama obi no. So you people should shut up. Say Ghana ya dia ya team emu ya dia yenim emu nya dia yenim. It is not you the MPP to come and tell us Ghana mu ya din da bi. We MPP need to radio so catch obi say Ghana mu ya din. Ono na te Ghana mu ya din obehu. Because a year ago no ni send your cement. 6 years ago no ni send your otua nyomaka. Oni send na auto petrol a year ago. Enti anya wo na also catch Ghana ni send mu ya din. Enti metis MPP for TV so ka say things are hard, things are expensive. Me say my Ghana for nka wo MPP mo nya Ghana for mo yankoko. Mo MPP for mo ni mo nyansa. Enti nka mo ye dede o TV so ni nyina wi a yanya den. Ka mo ye dede wi na akakoto ama ba omi ana. Enti nka mo ba parliament na mo beto nyom na mo bossa mambo na mo jimi mo ho na mo fifreti mo wi a na asesan ya adwene se yentoma hwan ba omi ana. Enti mo gotina radio so na mo ye dede anhwe dollar na kodu 11.8 11.4 se sia no nyome mo edin okọ marketa yento ade nti enu nti yentoma ba omiana de na isia mo pesa mo kire ejuma ya de amankofu enu abi na de maamo ejuma ya de ama NDC fui is the same job na de maamo for 8 years. NDC for year 1 year ni ya de maamo 8 years nti ade na wo na wo be kire se ejuma na omunye na omuntumi nye efiri se ya de maamo no wentuma anye nti ne kwakra ne saying samuti TV so any radios na mu tietie ma na mo tietie mu to the end game ne saying ensesan ya adwene ne yentoma hwan ba omia yentoma MPP na mo meden nti nan yenya den yen sometimes ana mtiba na mtimase nti dia na mo yen parliament no any the animal TV so yeah na mo kasa the economy has done this na miracle only say do you know miracle abuaje Bawumia thinks abuaje is also a relegating and amu here the girl be a friend ekuya amwako girl be no shesha wig bi no only some relegated miracle abuaje they have relegated him inside Bawumia's camp no they know miracle abuaje obubusa and say sikana oje ye during elections or they would do my answer in this west area right now no say Bawumia the campaign team no responded to anything. Ekuya and the friends say Ekuya Muaku said they honor. Oma relegate Dennis because also one Dennis is not a good communicator, and two Dennis is using Bawumia as a cash cow. They told him to come and audit Sika or G election 2024. Went to me later. I'm going to the Kosi dying. It's Bawumia right now. No, what he has done and say Oma relegate Dennis Miracle Abuaje. That's almost only lead Bawumia campaign message. On your no be. Bawumia campaign communication miracle in Dabi because Bawumia has seen say the more he speaks for him the more he leads his communication every single day now the campaign break it down and it's a west study Miracle Abuaje as we speak he's not in charge of Bawumia's campaign communication no because Sika Oria Oma will say every day this guy goes on TV, he goes on radio, it's all about himself. He's not making any point. He wants to show oh yeah, Sami Jemfi, but he's not Sami Jemfi. Sami Jemfi, kotre ningu neniase. And Bawumia monene kasa say, you don't have to banter Sami Jemfi. You need to sell our message. But he does not get it. It's right now, no. So what's the miracle? Only the Bawumia campaign nubiemo. Communication, he's not the one leading. I didn't end there. So because Bawumia campaign person officially, I'm responding to anything. I'm fresh girl money because they have realized say girl in the nyansa chem Dennis Abuaje. And to go back, the last time I tell you, Samira Kachem say he's too arrogant. Brandon Wasi, and one and the bufu ye. And I catch Samira say, oh, Kachem some arrogant. Now okay, can Quebec was some waha, and one about a cast and the uncle bench. Now no could see about Samira. Samira Kachem say he's too arrogant. If you need power, stop being arrogant. Be factual. ɛna ne bufu no ka kyɛ Bawumia sɛ na wo so sɛ o ɛhe na wo free ɛno keke okɔ bisa ɛ no wanka no ba Samira anim ɔka kyerɛ obi wɔ party mu sɛ no no Samira na odi na tem no ɛhe na wo free ɛhɔ na yɛfrɛ Miracle nti ɔn sɛ ɛndɛ Miracle is not in charge of Bawumia's communication. Yes, this is the kind of political party amudi anim.
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahe, Alajete, J.A. Kuffour, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas.